Hey everyone, I'm back again, and this time it's the final week of June. Can you believe it? It is super early again, I've been saying this, but I've got a new bullet journal set up for next week, so it should be exactly a week after this, I think. The 19th, I believe. That's what I've written down. Who knows? I actually recorded all this in one go. And then I realised that the first June setup was just way too long, so I decided to split it up, and this is the last week. So by this time I was just fed up, so it's a little bit messy and it looks good, it looks alright. I mean, you can get away with messy to a point. And then we attempt watercolouring again. I know, what am I doing? I don't know. I actually watched a tutorial video as well, to work out how to make it look like the sea meets the sky without it just blending in. And actually, I'm a bit proud of it. I mean, it's not as good as obviously the tutorial, but for a first time, I was really proud. Really proud. I'll link that down below because I found it super helpful. Also, watercolouring in the Leuchtturm is actually quite difficult anyway, because, you know, it's not watercolour paper. So, you know, it is quite hard. I did what I could. But yeah, just doing my usual tricks with that blender tool pen and colouring in, and yeah, I finished it off. I did do the watercolouring straight after. I only decided to do the watercolouring not too long after I had completely finished, just because it looked a bit plain. So yeah, I mean, it looks okay as it is. It just, I don't know, it just lacks that, you know, that oomph. But yeah, so I was going to do like an underwater scene like I did last time, and then I realised that that's a glass that's open that you're supposed to drink from, and I was like, oh yes. So I decided to make it look like it was on the beach rather than underwater. So I still did the sand and the sea and the sky, and I didn't want it to cover the whole page. I just wanted it to do a little bit of it. So yeah, I'm quite proud of it actually, it's not too bad. I've been using this layout as well for a little while, and it's alright actually. You could do quite a lot of things with it, get quite creative with it, so I've continued to do the layout really. Yeah, but this video is not very long, it's probably my shortest video, it's like 6 minutes. So there's not really much to say really other than what I'm doing, and you can see what I'm doing, so I'll probably just leave it quite short. Yeah, I will link it all below. And the, I have no idea what I'm saying anymore. The stencil diary book thingy that I've been linking down below is still going to be linked down below. Same with all my supplies that I used, except for the watercolour paints. I got them from Lidl, and I can't find the, whatchamacallit, the brand, so sorry. But you can just use any watercolour. Like, I got one that my sister gave me. The only reason I got these ones is because they're in a tube. It's like wet watercolouring. It's so interesting. But there I am trying to do the sky and trying to do the clouds, which was on the tutorial, and actually they looked alright in the end. I was quite proud. So yeah, I'm gonna love and leave you, and see you all next week for my bullet journal setup for a new book, as well as July after that. Don't forget I have other videos on my channel as well. Got a speed build, a witch casket unboxing, and a let's play that comes out every week on Tuesdays. So I'll see you all later. Bye, love you, bye!